Hey everybody, Tom Glaser here with a series of recipes to start out the new year. So I was struck as I was interviewing my candidates for my book, Full Heart Living Conversations with the Happiest People I Know, with the fact that for all of them, self-care was really important. It's not necessary, it's not sufficient for happiness, but it does set the foundation. So what better way to start the new year than some healthy recipes? This is going to be a series of recipes that I actually use every day. And this first one is something I do every morning after oatmeal. I have a protein smoothie. And a lot of people don't want to have a smoothie in the winter. And I'm going to show you a way to make it work for the season. So I start out with about a cup of water. And then I just add the protein of my choice. I like hemp these days. So this is just one serving of the hemp protein. And then I put in, this is about a tablespoon of flax. And then I do maybe a couple tablespoons or so of chia seed. Oh, the flax should be ground, by the way. And this is about a tablespoon of coconut oil. And some kind of dried greens I like to put in here. This is wheatgrass, dried wheatgrass shot. A pinch of bee pollen for energy. Secret ingredient number 1, pumpkin, just canned pumpkin, organic if you can. It's really simple, really healthful, and makes it more appealing for the season. That's just maybe a third of a cup of the canned pumpkin. I like a little bit of sweetness in these, so I'll shake either just a little bit of Stevia or honey, depending on my mood. Sometimes I'll put in a little bit of ground ginger or cinnamon, but often I don't even need that. Secret ingredient number 2 is frozen spinach. So instead of ice cubes, you can use spinach. You won't taste the spinach, but it gives it the temperature that people like. And check it out, I'm getting then 2 vegetables right away. So that's maybe a half cup, maybe a third of a cup of spinach. So I just blend these all together. It's that simple. It tastes really good, and think about it, you're getting protein, 2 vegetables, healthy fats. What could be better to start your day? So your assignment, should you choose to accept it, is to make one of your favorite recipes and bring it to someone you love and talk about why it's your favorite recipe. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.